Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust a display resolution on RTX 5080. Do it, right click on the desktop and go to NVIDIA control panel. Then go to display section and find change resolution. If you have multiple displays, you can select for which one you want to change it. Then you can change the resolution here from this list, as well as the refresh rate if there's any available. You can also click on customize and click on create custom resolution, but I'm gonna decline that for now. The process is pretty intuitive, so if you really need to set a custom resolution, you will manage to do it here. And then you can also set the color depth if there are different options available. And I believe that after changing any of these settings, you need to first click on apply button, which will appear somewhere here. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.